So just a small little project that we want to show you is, do we do apartment complexes, medical centers, defense plants, office buildings? Yes, absolutely. This project here, we're putting outside cameras in there due to scheduling. When you're factoring in complexes like these guys, what you want to basically do is, can you get inside the people's apartments? If that's the case, you drill out and put the camera. If not, you're going to have conduit wherever your penetrations are and your stalks of EMT. So, just going to go take a look around here. But again, some of the things to consider when you're doing apartment complexes: can you schedule your way inside people's personal residences? That's always tricky. So one way around it is just to put outside conduit. Helps with speed. As you'll see here, we have some domes in here. So there's various kinds of cameras. Now, of course, these old school ones, we're going to go ahead and rip these ones down eventually. But you have domes and you have bullets. Now, when you're researching out what kind of system you want to make sure that you know your angles that you're trying to capture. Domes, bullets, they have totally different fields of view. You also notice right there the speakers. That's so that if you want to sign up for 24-hour monitoring, whether it's electronic or actual humans watching your site, you can do that as well. So again, there's so many various different options in security. Again, bullets, domes, card access can be tied in as well. PA horns, everything can be considered. And again, thankfully this is a outside exercise area, so we were able to avoid the conduit. Just penetration right out there, and we have the new bullet. And of course the old schools, truthfully, most security systems like that are not even operational. So we have that in the front. So again, if you're looking to secure medical centers, even your home, office, or apartment buildings, you want to call us 1-877-832-1206.